I would like to explain definition of energy momentum tensor. Means what is energy momentum tensor? So let rho zero is matter density fluid and dx I upon ds is motion fluid. Then energy momentum tensor is denoted by T I J. Either this is in contravariant or covariant, means either Tij or Tij lower, and defined by Tij is equal to rho 0 dx I upon ds dx j upon ds. So this is the definition. Means for a fluid, rho 0 is density of that fluid or matter density, and this is velocity or motion. Then energy momentum tensor is denoted by Tij and defined by Tij equal to rho 0 dxi by ds dxj by ds. So this is. So now we will prove the derivation of energy momentum tensor. Means what is the formula? Means formula of energy momentum tensor is Tij is equal to rho plus p vi gj minus p gij, or this can also be written as Tij is equal to rho plus p vi vj minus p gi. This is the formula of energy momentum tensor. What is rho? Rho is the matter density, p pressure, vi is unit flow vector, means dxi upon ds. This is dxj upon ds. Here p pressure, gi is fundamental metric pressure. So this is the formula. So I want to derive this formula. Okay. So prove. So let rho 0 is proper density of matter, then we have by definition Tij is equal to rho 0 dx I by ds dx dy dx. So now Tij, this is the notation. So suppose in proper coordinate system, energy momentum tensor is denoted by Tij, here 0. Okay, this is the notation. So let us consider consider Tij T mu nu, here 0 means this is the notation for proper coordinate system at origin. We denote here 0. So let us consider T mu nu 0 is energy moment temperature in proper coordinate system to be supposed that matter is at origin, means metal is not moving. So in this case so at origin we have T 0 0 is equal to 0 0 means fourth coordinate time coordinate is equal to rho 0 T 1 1 0 is equal to T 2 2 0 equal to T 3 3 0 equal to T 0, means T 1 1 T 2 2 T 3 3 equal to T 0, and this is T 0 0 or T 4 4. This can be written as T 4 4 here. Okay, where rho 0 and P 0 are energy density and pressure respectively. Okay, means P0 is pressure and rho 0 is energy density. So now in Galilean coordinate ds square is equal to minus dt square plus dx square plus dy square plus dv square, means this is line element. This can also be written as either this thing or dt square minus dx square minus dy square minus dv square. So either this thing or this thing. Okay, here suppose let I0 is fundamental metric tensor in Galilean coordinate system, means here we denote 0. So here we will take this matrix, okay, this one. We can take either this thing or the same, but for this derivation we shall use ds square equal to dt square minus this thing. Okay, so G11 is equal to G22 is equal to G33 is equal to minus 1, means the metric potential G11 coefficient of dx square, G22 coefficient of dy square, G33 coefficient of dx square, and G44 coefficient of dt square 1. So now let Gij and this is fundamental metric tensor and this is energy momentum tensor. Metric tensor and energy momentum tensor in arbitrary coordinate system. Okay, these are Galilean coordinate system denoted by this suffix, but this is Gij and Tij. This is metric tensor and this is energy momentum tensor in arbitrary coordinate system. In arbitrary coordinate system, then we have by transformation law of tensor Tij is equal to TAB. This is arbitrary coordinate system and this is Galilean coordinate system. So Tij is equal to TAB del x I upon del x A del x J upon del x B. This is 0 or arbitrary. This is arbitrary coordinate system. This is Galilean. So this is denoted by 0. Okay. Now we have T 0 0 means T 4 4 0 is equal to 0. T 1 1 0, T 2 2 0, T 3 3 0. So we will use values of these. So here we know A, B, these are dummy suffix. Dummy suffix runs from 1 to 4 because this is 4-dimensional space. So this is T 1 1 0 del x 1 upon del x A 0. A means 1, B means 1, del x 1 upon del x, J. Here are E and G. Because I and J, these are three indices. A, B are dummy. So A and B both runs from 1 to 4. Since only T11, T22, T33, T44 not equal to 0, other are 0. So we will take only 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So del x I upon del x1, del x J upon del x1, 0 plus T22, 0. A equal to 2, B equal to 2, del x E upon del x 2, del x J upon del x 2 plus T 3 0, del x I upon del x 3 0, del x J upon del x 3 0 plus T 4 0, del x I upon del x 4 0, del x J upon del x 4 0. Now by using these results means T11 0, T22 0, T33 0. This is P0, this is P0, this is P0. So P0 is common. So this is P0. Again we can write here sigma A equal to 1 to 3 del x I upon del x A del x J upon del x A. So P0 is common. Here P0, 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 and this can be written as a sigma form. And this is rho 0. So rho 0 del x I upon del x 4 del x J upon del x 4 and suffix here 0 and here 0. Okay, so this is Tij. For transformation of fundamental metric tensor, equal to g ab 0 del x I upon del x a del x j upon del x b. Similarly, here a and b both are dummy. So a runs common to 4 and b runs common to 4. So is equal to g 11 del x I upon del x 1 del x j upon del x 1 plus g 22 del x I upon del x 2 del x j upon del x 2 plus g 33 del x I upon del x 3 del x j upon del x 3 plus g 44 del x I upon del x 4 del x j upon del x 4. So now by using the value of g11, g22, g33, these are 1 and g44 is plus 1. These are minus 1. So this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this is minus 1, means minus sigma a equal to 1 to 3 del x I upon del x a del x j upon del x a. This is these 3 terms and plus this is 1. So del x I upon del x 4 del x j upon del x 4, because this is 1 and these are minus 1. So this is equation number 2, means gij is equal to this. Now by 1 and 2, value of this thing a equal to 1 to 3, this thing, by putting this value in 1, from 1 and 2 we get Tij is equal to, here T0, this is in this sigma value, this sigma value we will write left hand side. So this is minus Gij and plus del x I upon del x 4 del x j upon del x 4. Okay, means this equal to Gij minus Gij plus this thing, and by substituting this value here, so we get plus rho 0 del x I upon del x 4 0 del x j upon del x 4 0. Okay, so now this is equal to multiplying by P0 inside, so minus P0 Gij and here plus P0 and this is common, so plus rho 0 plus P0 and del x I upon del x 4 0 del x j upon del x 4 0. So this is Tij equal to, this is 3. Okay, since tube is taken and rest, therefore of motion means velocity. So then dx 1 upon ds equal to 0, dx 2 upon ds equal to 0, dx 3 upon ds equal to 0, and dx 4 upon ds is equal to 1. It means when fluid is at rest, therefore in x direction, y direction and in z direction, these components are 0 and in the sense of time this is 1. So here del x I upon del x equal 0. So del x I upon del x equal 0 is equal to del x I upon del x j dx j by ds. Okay. Since this is dummy, this is by definition of differentiation. So since here we have taken 4-dimensional space, so del x I upon del x 4 is equal to del x upon del x j dx j upon ds. J does come into 4. So this is equal to del x I upon del x 1 dx 1 upon ds plus del x I upon del x 2 dx 2 upon ds plus del x I upon del x 3 dx 3 upon ds plus del x I upon del x 4 dx 4 upon ds. So since this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, it means this would be del x I upon del x 4 dx 4 upon ds is equal to 1. This is 1. It means del x I upon del x 4 is equal to del x I upon del x 4 dx 4 upon ds is equal to 1. So now substituting the value of del x I upon del x 4 is equal to del x I upon del x 4. This thing in last equation 3. So Tij is equal to rho 0 plus P0 del x I upon del x 4 is equal to, this is del x I upon, this is ds, dx I upon ds, dx j upon ds and minus P0 gi and this code. Here we see that here dx I upon ds is equal to del x I upon del x j dx j upon ds. As we know in differential calculus, if u is a function of x and y, so by the definition of differentiation, this is dx I upon ds. Okay, this is equal to. So by putting dx I upon ds is equal to del x I upon del x 4. So here del x I upon del x 4 is equal to dx I upon ds and here dx j upon ds and this.